Starting a blog can be a great way to share your thoughts, ideas, and experiences with the world. Not only is it a great way to express yourself, but it can also be a great way to make money. With the right strategies and tools, you can turn your blog into a profitable business. The first step to starting a blog that makes money is to choose a niche. A niche is a specific topic or area of interest that your blog will focus on. Some popular niches include personal finance, travel, health and wellness, and parenting. Choosing a niche that you are passionate about and that has a large audience will make it easier for you to attract readers and monetize your blog. Once you have chosen a niche, you need to decide on a platform to host your blog. There are many options available, but two of the most popular options are Grooveblog and Wealthy Affiliate. Grooveblog is a great option for beginners because it is easy to use and offers a variety of features that can help you monetize your blog. Some of the features include affiliate marketing, advertising, and sponsored posts. Grooveblog also offers a variety of templates and themes that can help you create a professional-looking blog. Wealthy Affiliate is another great option for beginners. It is a community of bloggers and online marketers who share their knowledge and experience. Wealthy Affiliate offers a variety of training and resources that can help you monetize your blog. They also offer a variety of tools that can help you optimize your blog for search engines. Once you have chosen a platform to host your blog, you need to start creating content. The key to a successful blog is to create high-quality content that is interesting, informative, and engaging. You should aim to post new content at least once a week. Another important step to starting a blog that makes money is to promote your blog. There are many ways to promote your blog, including social media, email marketing, and guest blogging. Social media is a great way to promote your blog. You can use platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to share your content and reach a larger audience. You should also use social media to connect with other bloggers and online marketers. Email marketing is another great way to promote your blog. You can use email marketing to send updates to your subscribers about new content and promotions. Guest blogging is another great way to promote your blog. You can write guest posts on other blogs in your niche and include a link to your blog. This will help you reach a larger audience and get more traffic to your blog. Finally, you need to monetize your blog. There are many ways to monetize your blog, including affiliate marketing, advertising, and sponsored posts. Affiliate marketing is a great way to monetize your blog. You can promote products or services on your blog and earn a commission when someone makes a purchase through your affiliate link. Advertising is another great way to monetize your blog. You can sell advertising space on your blog to companies or individuals who want to reach your audience. Sponsored posts are another great way to monetize your blog. You can write sponsored posts for companies or individuals who want to reach your audience. In conclusion, starting a blog that makes money requires a lot of hard work and dedication. However, with the right strategies and tools, you can turn your blog into a profitable business. You can use platforms like Grooveblog and Wealthy Affiliate to host your blog and monetize it. By creating high-quality content, promoting your blog, and monetizing it, you can turn your blog into a profitable business.